Hello everyone, this is Devamitra from Penetration Computer Solutions Global Private Limited. Hope you guys are doing well, right? So guys, in my previous sessions, I have talked about so many things. I have tried to provide you the best knowledge about life, about career, how you can write down one professional resume, what are the things you need to do in an HR interview, how you can prove yourself in an organization. So I have tried to provide you the best knowledge as per my knowledge. So in my today's session, I have tried to provide you the knowledge about ChatGPT. So I tried to solve some of the questions of ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? How ChatGPT works? How you can use ChatGPT? So I tried to provide you the prior knowledge about ChatGPT. So right now I'm going to talk about something that is what are the benefits of ChatGPT. So in my today's session, I'm going to talk about the benefits of ChatGPT. So let's get started. So businesses and users are still exploring the benefits of ChatGPT as the program continues to evolve. Some benefits include like that. That is, first one is efficiency. AI-powered chatbots can handle routine and repetitive tasks, which can free up employees to focus on more complex and the strategic responsibilities. The second one is cost saving. Using AI chatbots can be more cost effective than hiring and training additional employees. The third one is improved content quality. Writers can use ChatGPT as cost effective and to improve the grammatical or contextual errors or to help the brainstorm ideas for content. Employees can take ordinary text and ask to improve its language or add expressions. The next one is education and training. ChatGPT can help provide explanation and more complex topics to help serve as a virtual tutor. Users can also ask for guides and any needed clarification on responses. The next one is better response time. ChatGPT provides instant responses which reduce wait time for users seeking assistance. Increased availability. AI models are available around the clock to provide continuous support and assistance. Multilingual support. That is, ChatGPT can communicate in multiple languages or provide translations for businesses with global audiences. The next one is personalization. AI chatbots can tailor responses to the user's preferences and behaviors based on previous interactions. The next one is scalability. ChatGPT can handle many users simultaneously, which is beneficial for applications with high user engagement. Natural language understanding. ChatGPT understands and generates human-like text, so it is useful for tasks such as generating content and answering questions, engaging in conversations, and providing explanations. Digital accessibility. ChatGPT and other AI chatbots can assist individuals with the disabilities by providing text-based interactions, which can be easier to navigate than other interfaces. So guys, these are the benefits of ChatGPT. Right now, if you are thinking about using ChatGPT, kindly go ahead and use it. It will support you from for everything. So this is for now. In my another session, I will talk about some limitations of ChatGPT in my next session. So in PCS Global, we are providing the training in data science. We are providing the training in Python, in machine learning, in AI. So if you're a candidate who wanted to start your career, you can communicate with us. We are providing the training in Java, Java DevOps, and Salesforce as well. So this is the high time to prove yourself, to start one more time and to think the better for yourself. Who has passed out in 2023, those people are also need to think seriously because your career is right now in that moment, in that point where you need to take the right decision. Either you're going to upskill yourself, either you're going to make your or build your career, or you want to take some refreshment. So this is the high time to take the decision. PCS Global will be always there to help you. We are providing you the proper internship. We are providing you the one placement training that is called Employee Initiation Learning Program. You can join this program also. and how this program is going on, what we are doing over here, and how there are numerous numbers of people have joined PCS Global, and why they have joined, why they are working with us, what are the need of them to work with PCS Global. If you wanted to know all those things, kindly communicate with our HR person and they will provide you each and every detail. So PCS Global is doing this more than 10 years and we are going to do it for you guys. So if you have that aspiration to start your career, if you have that aspiration to prove yourself, this is the right place and this is the high time. So start, and if you find my videos are helpful, can you subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and do comment below. So this is for now. Bye for now.